Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about athletes and sportspeople who follow and thrive with plant-based diets. Here is a list of some athletes and sportspeople who follow plant-based diets. 1. Serena Williams, tennis player and winner of multiple Grand Slam titles. 2. Novak Djokovic, tennis player and multiple Grand Slam champion. 3. Lewis Hamilton, Formula One driver and multiple world champion. 4. Tom Brady, professional American football player and multiple Super Bowl winner. 5. Carl Lewis, Olympic track and field athlete with multiple gold medals. 6. Alex Morgan, American professional soccer player and World Cup winner. 7. Venus Williams, professional tennis player with multiple Grand Slam titles. 8. Patrick Baboumian, strongman competitor and former world record holder. 9. Chris Paul, NBA basketball player. 10. Tia Blanco, professional surfer and gold medalist. These individuals have found success in their respective sports while maintaining a plant-based diet. It shows that athletes can thrive on plant-based diets and achieve top-level performance.